What's up? You clicked this video to learn about the Kali Audio IN-8s. Let's get to it.
Ford ain't got a tag.
Welcome to all my new subscribers, and thank you to all my old subscribers for coming back. Look, if you like the content, I need you to hit the subscribe button and, hit the bell, because that'll let you know when I drop something, and you'll be able to be there right when I drop it. So getting started, I want to give you a little video montage I put together for the Kali Audio IN-8s right now.
Benford run the beat up.
So we're gonna talk about the build first. This is the Kali Audio IN-8. This is amazing. Look at it in this video that I'm showing you. They have this beautiful satin black on black thing going on. Now Kali Audio is known to come out with some different colors. We'll see that later probably. They're also coming out with a subwoofer. So you guys, if you need somebody to review that subwoofer and make a cool video montage, hey. Anyway, they're not extremely heavy, but they don't feel cheap. I like the way they look, they're sexy. The IN-8s are a three-way studio monitor for $399. I'm gonna end the review right there. That's it. The IN-8s are a 8-inch low frequency driver and a coaxial mid and tweeter. Now they are ported in the front, which means they can reach down to the depths of other monitors that are three ways in a much higher pay bracket. Or how they're placed on my desk is not exactly the way you want them. They are a little close, and that brings some different things into play that I'll talk about later. They're supposed to be 2.8 meters or 9 feet apart, and that was what I talked about with the Kali Audio folks on the phone. Since we're talking about placement, I have to talk about the groundbreaking element that they brought with their original monitors and these monitors that you don't get at this price point, which is their room configuration EQ, or what they call the boundary EQ. Kali Audio has accurately modeled their speakers in 8 different scenarios that align with how most people have their studios set up, with your speakers either being on a wall, by your desk, on your desk, close to the wall, on speaker stands. This allows you to tune your speakers to get the flat response that they are meant to give you in the room that you're in. This doesn't happen with speakers that are $399, and it's definitely not executed as well as they executed. Now onto the soundstage. The detail is there. What I like to do when I get speakers, any new monitors, any new studio monitors, is listen to them for a few days. I listen to mixes of people that I really, really respect and revere as amazing engineers. The one that I always default to is my cousin David Rideau. Look him up, he's amazing. This guy, I was not expecting this type of quality. People ranted and raved about the LP6 and the LP8. So I said, do I want the LP6, the LP8? I think I'm gonna get the new whatever they brought out, which is the IN-8s. And I'm sold. I really don't need to do the review anymore. It's a dope speaker. If you want a dope speaker, you buy these speakers, period. That's it. If you want a dope speaker, you buy these speakers. But I'm gonna keep going though. So I bought these in November when they first came out, or when I first found out about them, which Dave Rideau also was the person that let me know about the company Kali Audio. He said, hey man, check these out before you buy those other speakers that are $3,000. I was like, deal. They translate amazing. They're super flat. The bass is tight. When I mix something on these and I go to the car, or when I mix something on these and I go to my AirPods or my Bose or anywhere else, it translates very, very well. It translates not very well. It just translates to exactly what I did. Regardless of what speaker you have, if you mix on it and then you get in the car and it sounds different, then the speakers are lying to you or you're lying to you. These monitors pack a punch, and they're great at low volume, which my homeboy Worley, he knows. If you play them at the higher gain levels, they will fill a room and they will punch, and you'll feel the bass. By the way, once again, I know Kali Audio is coming out with a subwoofer. If you need somebody to review it, I particularly make a lot of bass heavy music, so for these speakers to have such a tight bass response and to translate so well when I go to different environments, really put me in the mindset of these are the speakers that I'm keeping, and these are the ones that I'm going to use from day to day. The final verdict, the pros and the cons. Pros, it's a great speaker, looks great, sounds great, flat response, Great price, super tight bass. You can leave them powered on. They have their own sleep control, and they need to be in your studio. Now, there's one con. Now, I mentioned earlier that you need to have these speakers between like 5 feet, 9 feet in order to use them properly. With them this close, you will hear a slight hiss of them being turned on. Nothing's wrong with the speakers. It doesn't translate into the mix. You won't hear it anywhere else. But if you have them too close, you will hear it. I actually called Cali Audio. I was like, hey man, is something wrong? Like, why am I hearing this? He said, no. If you wanted this speaker to be a $1,200 speaker, we would put the piece in that is necessary for that to disappear totally. Or move them into the positions that they're supposed to be and you won't hear it, or just work with it for the time being until you get to your new studio. Which, yes, we had a casual conversation like that because those guys are cool as hell. And they sent me one of these to review next. Bottom line, you'll be spending your money wisely getting these monitors. They will be my only monitors, my only stereo pair of monitors on my desk. By the way, once again, they're coming out with a sub. I know this because I follow them on Instagram, which you should follow me on Instagram and probably them on Instagram too. Hopefully they'll have me review it. I think I've said it 3 times in this review, so I'm not begging if I say it 3 times. If you say it 4 times, you're begging. Hey, if you like this content, definitely hit the subscribe button or the like button or whatever platform you're on, follow button, because this video is gonna be played everywhere. There's links below that you can use to get directly to the Cali Audio speakers and buy them right now. If you use those links, that helps me, so please use them. Here's that video montage again. Let's play.
Ben 4 run the beat up.